Hey guys, it's Ray Simone. So today I will be doing a curly hair routine featuring this hair from Dola. If you want to see how I got these pretty defined and moisturized curls, then keep on watching. So I already started combing it out. That's the first thing I do when I do work with this hair, because it's kind of hard to work with if you don't comb it out and the curls don't come out as good. Okay, now that it's all combed out, I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy spray bottle, and all that's in here is water. I'm just gonna be spraying this all through my hair and getting this flattered. All wet, I'm gonna then begin to just scrunch it all up to form the curls back. And then I'm gonna go in with the products I use. So the first product I'm gonna use is this, this anti-breakage root to tip mender, and it smells very good, and it just restores the curls and brings them back to life and makes them even more softer. Now when I apply this product, I do want to start at the ends first, because those tend to get the frizziest when it gets dry. So I just want to make sure that those are more defined than anything. To define the curls even more, I'm going with my comb brush and just brush the curls, and then I'll scrunch them afterwards. Now to make sure my ends stay defined, I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler gel and just put a little bit on the ends. Just so they keep their curl. Okay, now that I got everything how I want it, I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and blow dry this hair on cool heat just so I can get more body back into it because I don't like how flat it is. Okay guys, this pretty much completes the look. As you can see, all the curls are nicely defined and moisturized. So if you got to the end of this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also comment down below any videos you want to see me create because I will get it done. Thanks for watching.